Notice that Venus and Mars do not have oxygen in their atmospheres. A larger percentage of their atmosphere is made up of carbon dioxide. Why are their atmospheres so different? Since Venus is closer to the Sun, it is hotter and has over time formed a very thick blanket of carbon dioxide gas. This blanket of gas causes something scientists call the greenhouse effect. Earth also has a greenhouse effect, which can be increased by pollution. The gases on Venus cause the temperature to be around 900 degrees Fahrenheit. This does not allow for water and thus life. This is why scientists are concerned and study the greenhouse effects on Venus and Earth.
If you look at Mars, we don't see any clouds covering its surface. Mars does have clouds, but not as many as Venus or the Earth. If Mars is so much like Venus, why isn't its atmosphere thick with clouds? At one time, Mars may have had a thick atmosphere. Because of this atmosphere, Mars probably had liquid water on it. Mars may even have had oceans a few billion years ago. What happened? Scientists aren't sure, but they are working on a few different hypotheses. So that leaves us with the Earth's different atmosphere.
As we said earlier, Earth is made with the same elements as Mars and Venus. So why did we end up so different? Did we ever have an atmosphere like Mars and Venus? Actually, billions of years ago, Earth's ancient atmosphere probably looked a lot like Mars and Venus. So how did our atmosphere end up the way it is now? The answer is life.
When photosynthesizing blue-green bacteria developed in the Earth's oceans, they began to take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and replace it with oxygen. Earth has oxygen in its atmosphere today because of those single-celled organisms. Earth also receives enough energy from the sun to maintain water in all three of its phases: solid, liquid, and gas. We all know that water is a key ingredient for life. Due to the above, astronomers call Earth a Goldilocks planet. It has just the right temperature and chemicals for life to develop. Today, Earth's atmosphere continues to change because of life as we know it. Some of the gases in our atmosphere are harmful to us. Unfortunately, many of these are there because people have put them there. So today's question becomes, how do we know what's in our atmosphere? How do we collect information or data on our atmosphere to keep it healthy enough for life?
This is Donora, Pennsylvania. Did you talk about Donora before you came here? Can anyone tell me what happened here?